Welcome back. In this lesson, we will get an overview of AWS. We'll start by explaining how AWS got the idea of offering their data centers to the public. Amazon realized that they had an increase in hardware requirements for the different quarters of the year. To meet this increase in traffic, they needed to acquire more computing resources. But the problem was that most of these resources became unused during the quarters where they had a drop in demand. So they basically were wasting resources, and then they got the idea to offer these unused resources to their customers. Thus, AWS was born. AWS formed their fundamentals of pricing, which includes compute, storage, and outbound data transfer. In most cases, there's no charge for inbound data transfer or for data transfer between other AWS services. Of course, all within the same region. Amazon believed and still believes that they can lease hardware resources to their customers so they can run their entire workloads on AWS hardware. This solves the unused resource problem for Amazon and solve the CapEx problem for their customers, because their customers now adapt a consumption model instead of an OpEx model. But Amazon didn't stop there. They quickly realized that this was a huge problem around the world. So they started deploying more of these data centers and offering it in different countries. Now, AWS didn't just offer these services to one type of customer. They started offering their data centers and AWS services to any type of customer, like McDonald's, Netflix, Airbnb, and so on. Just about any type of industry can run their entire workload on AWS. The most popular example is Netflix running their entire workload on AWS. AWS was the first large-scale cloud provider ever. So they have pretty much a lot of experience with any type of service or application out there. They have a solution in mind and in practice for every type of workload, anything ranging from governmental to streaming services. They offer over 200 plus services and are the innovator in the space as well as the market leader. So, by learning AWS, you are learning the best cloud service and a tool that is widely used across industries. So the job market looks pretty good for you. I hope in this video, you learned more about the different types of industries that have already adopted AWS and why you should too. I'll see you in the next video.